Hey YouTube, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Hey, look, y'all. I'm about to do a couple of videos coming forward with me doing some juicing recipes. And as you can see, I got me some fruits and vegetables that I'm tossing into the sink, and I just want to go ahead and try to scrub these clean real quickly if possible. Some people use like baking soda and some white vinegar and a vegetable scrub brush to clean down their fruits and vegetables or whatever the case, because they want to get rid of some pesticides and any other contaminants or even dirt and grime that might be on your fruits and vegetables. I will always say wash your fruits and vegetables regardless, no matter what you're going to do with them, whether you're juicing or even cooking. Right now I'm going to start out with these 2 peaches, and I'm going to juice a couple of these peaches. This is like one of the first stages of me juicing or whatever the case may be, trying to prep up everything. But as you can see, one of the seeds in the peaches then split open. This little part right here, if you could bring this, make this come to a sprout, you could plant this in some soil and plant you a peach tree in your yard. So I thought that was pretty cool to show you. All right, so now since I got those peaches done, I want to go ahead and try to take the peel off of these oranges. So this is pretty much one of my best ways of doing it, or just cutting off the tops and the bottoms and then trying to work my way around the peeling. So I'm just going to do this for all these oranges. I like prepping up all my fruits and vegetables before I even get started or whatever, because it makes things a little bit more easier, and you could definitely save some time. Now, there are some benefits when it comes to juicing. I don't care what it may be. If you got like arthritis or achy joints, or your skin need to be a little bit more clearer, or your liver need to be a little detoxed out, then juicing is definitely the way to go. So I got this mango, and this mango was a little bit too fresh for me, whatever the case may be, because I got all of my fruits and produce at a produce market here in my city, right down the street, to be honest with you. And if you could find some good fresh vegetables and fruits, I mean, it'll all work. Going to Walmart, yeah, you can't beat the price either. All right, so I just want to go ahead and take the skin off of this mango. Like I said, it's a little too fresh for my liking. So that's all I want to do right now, is just remove the skin from this. Now, if you could just look up every vegetable, every fruit, and find out the benefits of these fruits and vegetables, I'm telling you, it'll do your body some good. I don't know how many of you have ever juiced before or whatever the case may be, but definitely your body will thank you for whatever the case. So I got some fresh ginger, and I'm not going to take the skin off of this, but I am going to cut off a nice size. I don't want the whole ginger going into my juice, because that ginger can be overpowering. But hey, like the ancient secrets of ginger, oh my God. Man, you talking about some body health, body healing, you got to get ginger into your life. And this is one thing that I do love right here, juicing some carrots, because these carrots can help you with so much, especially with your mind. It'll help with the quick thinking. It'll help with, you being on point with everything. So carrots definitely have a strong benefit when it comes down to your mental awareness. And this is one reason why I love juicing carrots. So I do have other recipes that I'm going to basically share with you in the future, or whatever the case may be. And then I'm also going to make videos showing you the benefit of fruits and vegetables while I'm on this juicing journey. So now I have at least around about 4 plums, nice sized plums. And these are organically grown plums. Got them from the produce market as well. So I just want to remove the pitted seed in the middle of that. And I also want to take 1 lemon and remove the peel from it, and I'm going to juice 1 lemon. And lemon also has its benefits to whenever you're juicing. And I'm telling y'all something right now. I feel so good and I have so much energy left after doing these juicing recipes. And I've been juicing now for at least around about a good 2 weeks already. And I'm reaping the harvest. I'm reaping the benefits from it. So I got this juicer. This is a Warring juicer that I purchased from Restaurant Depot. It's a little on the high end. So I spent some money for this particular juicer because I've had so many juicers in my lifetime. And some have worn out, some is just too slow. So I said I'm just gonna go ahead and spend the money for a good juicer. And this is a restaurant quality type of juicer. You understand? So everybody's not gonna go out and buy one of these. And I'm not trying to get everybody to go and buy one of these. I purchased this with my own money because I needed to do exactly what I needed to do. So I could definitely juice tons and tons of fruits and vegetables with this juicer and don't have to worry about it burning out or nothing like that. So I'm starting out with the mango. And with this particular juicer, as you can see, it got that big tub in the back that can take all of that pulp or whatever the case may be. And I just love it, y'all. And with fresh juicing, you're basically going to get all the nutrients and all the added benefit coming from your fruits and vegetables. So let me go ahead and let you see me just juice this real quick. And then after that, that'll be it. So right now I'm going to take me a picture and I'm going to pour all of that juice inside of that picture. Now, as you know, juicing with any juicer, you're going to have what we call froth. Froth is going to be on top. So I take me a strainer and I strain the froth from the top, and then I would just have nothing but pure juice. And man, you're talking about having energy in the morning. Whenever I do me a mixed concoction for energy. And this is basically my energy concoction that you see me doing right now with that ginger, the cucumber, the apples. Man, I'm telling you right now, man, this is really one good recipe that you could try as far as juicing. And some people might not like how the juice tastes or whatever, but over a period of time, you're gonna get used to it. But when I tell you that there is a big difference between eating the fresh vegetables versus drinking the fresh vegetables in the juice, in the fruits, man, you're talking about rapid weight loss. Not just that, man. If you had problems with gout, arthritis, like I said, it helps with your liver. Having a bloated gut, it basically helps with the bloating gut. And if you just have a gut disorder, regardless, this definitely will help out. If you have high blood pressure, and you're tired of taking medications for high blood pressure, this is basically a good thing to add to your daily routines as far as, trying to have a better, healthier lifestyle. This is something that I do love. Now, most of you know that I love soul food 24/7, and I can eat soul food 24/7, but sometimes your body need a break from all of that. Your body need to be cleansed from some of the stuff that you put inside of that gut, and this would definitely help out. Now, as you can see me just pouring this nice concoction after I've removed the froth from it, this is what you can get, a nice refreshing glass of pure goodness. This is what God intended us to put in our body, y'all. So, bon appetit. It's so fresh and it's so good. I'm telling you, honest God truth. And this is the way to go, all right? Give yourself a try. Give your heart a try. Peace.